Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name is Adam. You're with me at my shop, Kaputy Inc. Today's project, we're going to turn this flimsy ass brush guard into something substantial. Let's get to it. Oh, we got our steel picked up there. Well, what's the damages there, Tim?
Well, how about a little sauerkraut?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right.
That's going to be it for our Kubota grill build here. Got a nice little rattle can paint job on her there. Like it matters, it's going to get all scratched up anyways. It'll get that scratch through orange look. It'll look very bold, very like you're going camouflage, like black and orange. It ought to be sick. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. And for those of you worried I was going to smash myself into a big pile of Adam shit, we had a safety bar in there the whole time. Not to mention it's new, but you can never be too safe.